Imagine the roof over your head, a silent guardian against the elements, suddenly failing you in the midst of a storm. The thought alone is unsettling, isn't it? Yet this scenario can become a reality if we neglect the care and maintenance of our roofs. By participating in roofing workshops, homeowners can arm themselves with essential knowledge to prevent such disasters. We are bighomeprojects.com, and we help connect homeowners with trusted contractors and help provide work opportunities for contractors. Let's dig into the key benefits these workshops offer. Number 1. Educational empowerment. These workshops equip you with practical knowledge about roof maintenance. You'll learn how to identify warning signs like curling shingles or moss growth, ensuring you're prepared to tackle minor issues before they escalate. Number 2. Community engagement. Join fellow homeowners in a shared journey of learning and collaboration. These workshops foster a sense of community as participants exchange experiences and tips on maintaining their roofs. Number 3. Preventive maintenance. Discover the significance of regular inspections and timely repairs. Learn how these proactive steps can extend your roof's lifespan and save you money on potential repairs. Number 4. Safety and security. Gain insight into safe practices for roof inspection and maintenance. Understand when it's best to hire professionals, ensuring your safety and the security of your home. Number 5. Cost effectiveness. Learn how early detection of minor issues can prevent major expenses. Grasp the financial benefits of regular upkeep and the use of high-quality materials for long-term savings. Number 6. Peace of mind. Acquire the peace of mind that comes from knowing your roof is well maintained. Equip yourself with the knowledge to avoid unexpected damages, allowing you to focus on other aspects of homeownership. Number 7. Community-wide maintenance schedules. Collaborate with neighbors to establish a community-wide maintenance schedule, leading to cost savings through bulk services while strengthening community ties. Visit bighomeprojects.com to connect with trusted contractors and explore resources that will enhance your roofing knowledge and maintenance strategies. Your roof deserves the best care, and we're here to help you achieve it.